Good.
Hello viewers, good evening. This is Lydia Waale. I'm a competitor on the 2021 competition recipe. I'm coming to prepare moringa delicious soup, nutritious. These here are my ingredients. I have a smoking fish, my dawa, my ground fresh tomatoes, my green pepper, and my onions. I have my measured pepper and the salt, and I have my chopping okra and my moringa, please. So please, here we go. To start cooking, please, these are already my boiled water. I'm putting saltpeter first, please, and I'm adding the moringa inside the water, the boiling water, please. And I'm adding the okra, please. The okra is added. So here we are, please. So I have to cover this for a while, and I'm coming to prepare the stew for the soup. Here's my oil, please. This is my oil. The soup. Here's my oil, please. This is my oil. Please. And I'm adding my onions into the oil, the cooked oil. Please, I'm adding my onion into the cooked oil. Please, I'm adding my fresh ground tomatoes into the oil and the onions. Please. Please, I'm adding my dawa. They are into two ways. Some are ground and some are the bulky ones. So I'm adding the two into it, please. Yes. Please, I have a green pepper. If you wish, I'm adding it to it, and I'm adding some fresh onions. If you want more flavor, please. Adding it. Here is my moringa soup, please. Yeah. This is the stew. So okay, I have done with my moringa soup. So I have to mix it with the green. Here it is. I have my moringa soup. Please. Please. I have done with my moringa soup. Viewers, thank you for watching me. Thank you. I'm pleading, I'm inviting you to comment, to like,